In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in Asana and organize tasks efficiently. Start by opening your browser on your computer and heading to asana.com. Click Log in and sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace where you can access all of your work. Everything we're doing today is in the desktop browser, which gives you a clear view of your projects and sections. On the left sidebar, click Projects. This panel is your central navigation for all the workspaces and projects you have access to. From here, select the project you want to organize. Choose the one where you plan to collect ideas, future tasks, or work items that aren't ready to schedule yet. At the top of the project, make sure you're in List View. List View displays tasks in a simple vertical list, which makes creating and managing sections very straightforward. If you see other options like Board or Calendar, just click List to switch over. This ensures the next steps look and behave exactly as described. Now scroll to the bottom of the task list. You'll find controls for adding new organizational elements. Click Add Section. Sections act like headers that group tasks, helping you categorize work and keep your project tidy. When the new section field appears, type Backlog. This label clearly signals that items here are not yet prioritized or scheduled. Press Enter to create the section. With the Backlog section ready, click Add Task directly beneath it. This places the new item under Backlog so it doesn't get mixed into your active work. Type the task name, keep it clear and concise so it's easy to scan later, and press Enter to save it. You can add more details, descriptions, or due dates later when you're ready to prioritize, but for now, the goal is to capture the task in the right place. If you already have tasks scattered throughout the project that belong in the backlog, move them by clicking and dragging. Grab a task, drag it over the backlog section, and drop it when you see the placement indicator. This keeps all potential or future work together without changing anything else about the task. Dragging is also a quick way to reorder items inside the backlog so the most important ideas sit at the top. That's it. You opened Asana, navigated to your project, confirmed list view, created a backlog section, added a task under it, and moved existing tasks into place. Use this backlog as a holding area for ideas and upcoming work, and revisit it regularly when you're ready to prioritize.